Hello friends, this is practicing company secretary Megha Agarwal from New Delhi. Welcome to my channel Legal and Tax Experts. In this video, we will learn how to file AOC4 offline. First, we will log in on MCA portal. Without logging in, we won't be able to access this form. So in case we don't have an ID on MCA, then we need to create a business user ID of either professional or company, LLP or director, partner, manager or secretary or officer in default. So first we need to create ID on MCA portal, then we can access this form. First we will log in. For logging in, we will go to sign in. Then we'll put our credentials, user ID, password, CAPTCHA. Mine is saved here. You just put your information. We are putting CAPTCHA value. Then we go to MCA services. After clicking MCA services, we will go to company e-filing. After clicking to company e-filing, we'll go to annual filings. After clicking annual filings, we will go to AOC4 offline. Both AOC4 online and offline are available, but we'll go to AOC4 offline. After clicking AOC4 offline, my form gets opened. Now this is AOC4. We'll start filling this AOC4 form. And once again, I want to remind you that please be very sure before putting information here, because after filling this parent form, linked form Excel sheets will be generated. If you do any change in parent form, then again fresh Excels will be generated with new version number, and you have to download those fresh Excel files with latest version number. So please be very sure in filling this parent form. Let's start filling this form. Searching name of the company. SIN is auto-filled. Name, address and email address of the company is auto-filled. Now here we are filling financial year to which financial statement relates. Date of board meeting in which financial statements are approved. Now we are putting that date. Nature of financial statements. Right. This is adopted financial statement. Provisional financial statements filed earlier. Whether adopted in annual general meeting, adjourned AGM. Now we are filling details of directors, managers, etc. We'll put the designation, date of signing financial statements, second director detail, who have signed the financial statement, DIN number, now we are filling the date of board of director meeting in which board's report referred under section 134 was approved. Then we are filling the details of directors who have signed the board report. Their DIN number, name is automatically coming. We are putting right designation, date of signing, second director who has signed the board's report, DIN number, then date of signing reports in the financial statement by the auditor, This is the date of AGM, due date of AGM. This is a dummy form which we are preparing here just to make you understand how AOC4 offline is filled. Financials are not yet finalized, but just to make you understand, we are making very basic form. So here the whether company is subsidy, we are taking no. If we say yes, then AOC1 would appear. In the 8 point, if we say yes, here we are putting the SRN of ADT1. You just make sure that you put correct SRN of ADT1, type of industry, whether consolidated financial statement required. If you press yes here, then again AOC4 CFS linked form would also appear. But since we are pressing here no, then no AOC4 CFS would appear. Now books of accounts, where exactly company books of accounts are maintained. So just mentioning all details here. Now we need to fill related party details. So since in this company there is no related party details, we are saying no. But in case if you are having related party, then press yes and AOC2 would appear. Here auditor's report, whether this is audited by CAG, so that's not applicable since it's not a government company. CSR, not applicable. Secretarial audit, not applicable. If you say yes, then further documents would appear. Now after submitting save and submit AOC4, these linked forms would appear: board's report and auditor's report. First we need to fill auditor's report with some basic details, then linked auditor's report. Extract copy of auditor's report would generate in Excel. Now here we submitted yes. Now we are putting information in board's report. Basic detail, extract of board's report is appeared. We want to do certain changes since Caro is not applicable on this company. We say yes, okay, and board's report. Now we are filling web page of board's report. Any change done in extract of auditor's report will lead to resetting of board's report. So in case you do any change in extract of auditor's report, extract of board's report will also update, and linked Excel files of auditor's report and board's report will also update. Then again you need to download fresh Excel auditor's report and board's report. Company is a small company, yes. Board meeting, bare minimum board meeting 4, committee meeting 0. Now you also need to tell whether this 186 is applicable or not. Since it's a small company, then both is not applicable. Now the Excel generation is in progress. Now Excel generation completed. Now we'll press on Excel generation completed tab on download. Now here Excel is generated in the zip folder. Now we will unzip this folder. Now 3 Excel sheets are here: AOC4, auditor's report standalone, and board's report. These are 3 mandatory linked forms which will appear after submitting the parent form. Now we are opening AOC4. This is the Excel sheet. Here some instructions are given. Now we are opening the form. So the information in gray fields are not editable. You can edit only fields which is not gray. So this is all pre-filled information. So here last year data is auto-populated. Since this is a very basic company, So now we'll put the balance sheet values here. So don't leave any field blank. If it's blank, then put 0. Also, if you want to change last year figure, then reason for change in last year values also needs to be mentioned. So this is complete form. So we filled the entire form. Now here we'll put the DIN number of the director which will sign the report. Extract of audit, this AOC 4. Now we'll open auditor's standalone report. We'll open the form. This is extract of auditor's report standalone. So now here you need to mention everything, opinion of the auditor, basis of opinion. This is not pre-filled, I copy pasted the entire data here. Now who will sign the this extract of auditor's report will mention the DIN details. Now third Excel board's report is opened here. Now we'll put the information. Director's responsibility statement, even board meeting details also needs to be put here. We'll mention everything here. Though in instruction kit of all these Excels, it is very clearly mentioned that you don't copy paste here, but since the written data paragraphs we are copy pasting, but we are not doing copy pasting financials wala part, because the formulas get affected because of that. So here we are doing copy pasting, but also make sure that word limit is here of 5,000 words. So just make sure to restrict your word limits in each box. So this is how we'll fill the entire form. Then you also need to tell that how many sexual harassment complaints received, how many are disposed of, how many complaints are beyond 90 days, and statement of the company that the company has compiled with Maternity Benefit Act. Just mention everything. So after filling the entire form, then you need to mention director's detail, and then you will save this Excel sheet. After filling these Excel sheets, I'll again re-log in to my MCA portal. I'll put the captcha value here. Now I'll go to my application, pending for action. Now I'll edit my form. Now from here I'll upload my Excel sheets. I'll go to my forms. Now here errors are there, so this txt file is generated. So all errors are mentioned here. So I'll again open my Excel sheet, AOC4 Excel sheet, and would do the required changes as asked in this error report. I guess some 00 is missing, which needs to be put. We can't leave any field blank. So just finding out where 00 needs to be put. Now after doing all these changes, I am again re-uploading this AOC4 Excel. I'll upload auditor's report here. Again, one error report is there. So basically I have to reduce my characters limit to 5000 characters. Since there are many errors, I'll do the required changes. Now it's done. Only one error is still there. Okay, yes, format of date is not right. So I'll do the required changes here, save it, and then again I'll choose the file. Now going to proceed button. Now here I need to affix copy of signed financials since my financials are not prepared. So just to show you, I'm attaching any file, any PDF file here. Here the copy of financial statements can go up to maximum 10 MB. I just need to attach that and then submit. Here you need to attach complete copy of financial statement just to show I'm attaching this auditor's report. Then extract of auditor's report standalone. file size is bigger, so this is again because up to 2 MB only you can. So I'm just attaching any dummy document here. Then I'll submit. Then I need to attach extract of board's report. Again, size needs to be max 2 MB. Then again attaching same file just to show you. Then I'll submit. Now the SRN is generated. Now here we'll upload, since this is not updated, I'll just go to some other tab, refresh it, then we'll come back to pending for action button. Now forms are downloaded. So forms are downloaded here. So 3 forms are there: AOC 4, extract of auditor's report, and extract of board's report. You need to affix digital signatures on all 3 documents: extract of auditor's report, board's report, and AOC 4. So this is auditor's report, extract of auditor's report. Here also digital signature needs to be affixed. In board's report also digital signatures needs to be affixed. Then after affixing signatures on these forms, you will upload this PDF files from here. Now from here we'll do the uploading part. First we'll upload extract of auditor's report standalone, then we'll choose file, then upload, then board's report, then AOC 4. We'll do this, proceed to payment. Our payment will be done after this, and hence the form filing is completed.